Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you another Python automation module which is used for sending emails. It is called SMTP, which stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. This protocol determines how emails should be encrypted, formatted, and relayed between email servers. In the first part of the tutorial I'm going to walk you through my code, and in the second part I will show you how you can get an app password for Google Mail, because we need this for sending emails with Google Mail. So let's jump into my code. Okay, so here we are inside of PyCharm, and I already prepared the code. I also upload the code on my GitHub, which I will link in my description box. In line 1, we are importing the SMTP lib module. Next, in line 3, we are creating an SMTP object, and we call the SMTP method and giving it the parameters smtp@gmail.com, and this number here is the port of the server. If you are not using Gmail, but for example Outlook, the address for Outlook would be smtp.office365.com, and for Yahoo it would be smtp.mail.yahoo.com. If you have a different provider, you can look up the server on the homepage of your email provider. In line 5, we are calling the Alar method, which establishes a connection to the server. Line 7 is very important because the start TLS method will set up TLS encryption for your communication. Don't forget this step, because if you don't use TLS, the password would be sent in plain text, so anyone who would fetch it would have access to your email account. Next, in line 8, we are logging in with our email address and with a password. And obviously, your password should not be put in plain text here, because otherwise if someone gets access to your code, then he would also have the password. So make sure you inject the password into your Python code somehow in a safe way so nobody has access to it. Then in line 10, we are sending the email, and first we put the sender email and then the recipient email. And then in line 11, blah will be the subject of your email, and to separate it from the body of the email you need to write \n and \n. And then you simply enter the message you want to send. And at the end you also need to quit the connection to the server, and you do this by calling the quit method. Now I'm going to show you how you can get an app password, which we need when we want to send emails with Google Mail. The first step we need to do is to go to the tutorial, which is on a website of Google, which I will also link in the description box. Then scroll down to create and use app passwords. And make sure you already have two-step verification enabled. Then go to your Google account and next click on Security. Scroll down and click on App Passwords. Enter your password and then click on Choose App, which will be down here, and then on Others. And now the name you will need is the name of the project of your Python project. So in my case, it's simply email. And then click on Generate. And now it will show you an app password, which you can copy. And then click on Done and paste it in here. And now you know how you can send emails with the Python module SMTP lib. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Also, if you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day. Bye!